ever wondered where all the time went? One moment you're here, full of plans, and the next, it feels like life has slipped through your fingers, dreams unfulfilled, opportunities lost. But what if I told you that every second you thought was wasted holds a hidden secret? What if the universe itself is silently working to bring back everything you thought was gone forever? Life isn't just a random sequence of events. It's a symphony, and the universe is its conductor. Even when you feel lost, this silent force is behind the scenes, harmonizing the chaos. It whispers through chance encounters, unexpected opportunities, and moments of sudden clarity, gently guiding us back to the path we're meant to walk. But why does this happen? It's because the universe is not indifferent. Its purpose is to restore balance and bring renewal, no matter how far you've strayed. Ancient spiritual traditions tell us to trust in this flow, to believe that even in our darkest hours, there's light just waiting to break through. And when it does, the transformation is undeniable. Sometimes this restoration shows up in ways you least expect. A surprise windfall, a job opportunity out of nowhere, or even a stranger's kindness. It's as though the universe is saying, I see you. I haven't forgotten you. Financial breakthroughs or moments of emotional abundance become proof that you're not abandoned, that the tides can and will turn in your favor. Yet abundance isn't just about money. It's about those quiet, beautiful moments that fill your heart with gratitude. A warm smile, an act of kindness, a chance meeting that leaves you inspired. These are gifts meant to remind us of the goodness that still exists, even when everything feels like it's falling apart. The magic intensifies when you give back, sharing your abundance, whether through generosity or simple acts of compassion, shifts your perspective from scarcity to limitless potential. This isn't just about charity. It's about tapping into the universe's flow, becoming part of its restoration process. And then there's hope. The lifeline we cling to in times of despair. Hope is not just a feeling, it's the spark that ignites perseverance. It reminds us that even when the present looks bleak, the future is full of infinite possibilities. Stories of people rising from ashes, overcoming impossible odds, show us that transformation is not just possible. It's inevitable when you believe in the unseen forces working for your renewal. So, as you navigate the twists and turns of life, remember, nothing is truly lost. The universe is always there, waiting to restore what's yours in ways you can't yet imagine. Keep watching, because the most extraordinary revelations often come just when you least expect them. Awakening the divine within, restoring harmony through the universe's flow. Have you ever felt a quiet call to something greater, something beyond the chaos of everyday life? That call isn't a random thought. It's the universe inviting you to align with its rhythm, to discover your place in the vast, interconnected web of existence. And when you answer, a journey of profound restoration and self-discovery begins. Hope isn't just a fleeting emotion. It's a powerful force that ignites resilience and courage, even in our darkest moments. It reminds us that no setback is permanent, that each challenge is an opportunity to grow. As described in Inner Engineering, a yogi's guide to joy, Sadhguru emphasizes that transformation begins when we stop fighting the flow of life and instead surrender to it. This surrender isn't about giving up. It's about trusting that the universe is a partner in your journey, tirelessly working to bring balance to your life. This trust in the cosmic order opens the door to something extraordinary: inner peace. But let's be clear, peace isn't about avoiding life's storms. It's about standing in the center of them, with a quiet knowing that you are supported, as if the universe itself holds you in its embrace. This is the serenity that comes when you align your actions with a purpose greater than yourself, an idea echoed in 3 Truths of Well-Being. When your life flows in harmony with this vast cosmic dance, challenges become stepping stones, and chaos transforms into clarity. This journey isn't merely about surviving, it's about awakening. Deep within, there is a thirst, a yearning to connect with the divine essence that resides within us. As you delve deeper into this spiritual quest, as illustrated in Adiyogi, the source of yoga, you'll come to realize that the divine isn't something external. It's within you, an integral part of the universe's infinite tapestry. This realization dissolves the illusion of separation, leaving behind a sense of oneness and profound wholeness. Regret, however, can be a heavy burden, a shadow that clouds our ability to embrace the present. But even regret has a role in the universe's restoration. By acknowledging our mistakes with self-compassion and forgiveness, we free ourselves from the shackles of guilt and shame. As Sadhguru points out in Life and Death in One Breath, self-awareness and the courage to let go are essential steps toward true healing and redemption. It's in this release that we make space for the present moment to blossom into a future full of promise. The restoration journey is one of transformation, where hope fuels action, self-compassion heals wounds, and alignment with the universe brings serenity. And through it all, the divine within you awakens, guiding you to a life of fulfillment, grace, and unshakable inner peace. This is the universe's promise to you, a reminder that you're not alone, and that every moment is a step closer to discovering the limitless potential of who you truly are. Have you ever considered that your greatest pains might be the very gateway to your most profound transformations? The road to renewal isn't paved by avoiding hardship, but by courageously facing it. When we shift our focus from the shackles of the past to the creative potential of the present, something extraordinary happens. We take back our power to shape our destiny. Let's get real. Regret can be a relentless thief of joy, a shadow casting doubt over our lives. But when we stop resisting the lessons our past offers and instead embrace them with mindfulness and self-reflection, we transform regret into wisdom. As Rumi so beautifully put it, the wound is the place where the light enters you. These wounds are not barriers. They're doorways to clarity and renewal. Through gratitude for even the toughest lessons, we begin setting powerful intentions for the future. This isn't about merely wishing for better days. It's about recognizing the strength and resilience that challenges have forged within us. And here's the secret. When clarity of thought begins to emerge, the fog of confusion lifts, unveiling a deeper connection to our inner wisdom and intuition. It's as if the universe hands us a compass, one that aligns with our highest good. Suddenly, life's obstacles don't seem so insurmountable. They become opportunities, yes, opportunities for growth. Albert Einstein once said, "In the middle of difficulty lies opportunity." What if every setback was simply a catalyst for you to rise stronger, wiser, and more determined? With this perspective, adversity shifts from being a weight that holds you down to a force that propels you forward. But let's not overlook the transformative power of healing. True restoration is holistic. It's emotional, physical, and spiritual. Emotional healing invites us to confront past traumas and unresolved feelings, allowing us to release the pain that has held us captive. Physical well-being naturally follows, as studies have shown that emotional resilience enhances our overall health. And then there's spiritual healing, a deep, almost sacred process that reconnects us with the universe's flow and our divine essence. Healing takes courage, as Tori Amos reminds us, but that courage lives within you, waiting to be called upon. With every step you take in releasing suffering and embracing renewal, you create space for joy and vitality to return to your life. Clarity sharpens your decisions, resilience strengthens your heart, and grace becomes the lens through which you see the world. This is the essence of the restoration journey. It's not about erasing the past. It's about transforming it into a foundation for something greater. It's a reminder that even in the deepest darkness, light is always waiting to break through. Will you let it? Daring to dream again. The art of embracing new beginnings. What if every ending you've ever faced was actually the seed of a new beginning? The path to restoration is not a straight line. It's a dance between setbacks and breakthroughs, fear and courage, loss and renewal. And within this rhythm lies the opportunity to step into a life that's not only restored, but reimagined. Emotional distress often finds its way into the body, manifesting as pain, fatigue, or even illness. But here's the truth. Healing doesn't just alleviate the symptoms, it opens the door to reinvention. When we embrace the idea of new beginnings, we signal to the universe that we're ready to grow beyond our pain, ready to dream again. Imagine this: a fresh slate, free from the chains of fear and doubt. This is the essence of renewal, a bold leap into the unknown, trusting that the universe has aligned opportunities just over the horizon. Reinvention isn't a luxury. It's a necessity. It's the permission we give ourselves to explore untapped passions, to rediscover forgotten desires, and to live with a vibrancy that fear once muted. The universe speaks to us in whispers, through intuition, synchronicity, and serendipity. These aren't random moments. They're the gentle nudges that guide us toward paths we might have overlooked in our uncertainty. Every sign, every synchronicity is an invitation to take the leap, to embrace the change. But let's be clear. Restoration is not a destination. It's a process, a constant unfolding of growth and evolution. It requires the courage to face our fears, the resilience to overcome our doubts, and the willingness to introspect and uncover what truly matters. Through self-reflection, we connect with our deepest values and aspirations, revealing a purpose that brings fulfillment. This journey also demands a shift in mindset, from scarcity to abundance. When we recognize the blessings and opportunities around us, we open ourselves to the infinite possibilities that life has to offer. Restoration invites us to see challenges not as obstacles, but as catalysts for transformation, turning trials into triumphs and fears into fuel. Yes, the road can be challenging, but within those challenges lie moments of profound connection, bursts of uncontainable joy, and the transformative power of growth. As you walk this path, you'll realize that every struggle, every step, has prepared you for a life more aligned with your true self. Thank you for joining me on this journey of discovery and transformation. If this resonated with you, share it with someone who might need a reminder that new beginnings are always within reach. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights, and feel free to share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. Your support helps us continue creating inspiring content. Until next time, may your life be filled with courage, clarity, and limitless joy. Stay blessed.